What is the mechanism of murmur? This is core theory. Still, this is what is important. Turbulence, and when the Reynolds number reaches more than 2000, which is caused by when blood flow velocity is high, or if it is small, kinetic velocity is, viscosity is low. So, Reynolds number is flow by 2 into diameter into kinetic velocity, core physics. Just to know, you should understand why a murmur occurs. What is the consequence of turbulence? Either it is a vortex shedding, as the blood flow passes through a narrow orifice. I will discuss what is vortex shedding theory apart, jet impact or cavitation. A jet turbulent flow hit wall of heart or blood vessel. Cavitation is a high turbulent flow producing theoretically microbubbles that generate a sound of different frequency causing harsh murmur. What is vortex shedding? Vortices is oscillating flow that takes place when a fluid such as air or water flows opposing the streamline flow at certain velocities. You can see oscillation. What is periodic wake phenomena? Is disturbed flow or turbulence downstream of a solid body moving through a fluid medium. Core physics. What are the innocent murmurs? You should know. What are the characteristics of a innocent murmur? Is 7S. Is short duration. It is a systolic murmur, a soft murmur, heart sounds are normal, symptomless. It varies with standing and sitting, and the dynamic maneuvers are normal. If you do dynamic maneuvers, there is no change. So, very important, it is almost always systolic murmur. They are soft murmurs, heart sounds are normal, no symptoms, varies with standing and sitting, and short duration murmur. These are the classical of a features of a innocent murmur.